What you're looking at now is your profile. Your profile, after you've paid in your account, one of the first things you do is you set up your wallet, right? You do that in My Funds. Now we're looking at the profiles, where you go next. So the system knows who you are. If we need to communicate with you, you've got money hung up. You were foolish if you put in a fake email address or you put in an email address that you know you're never going to look at. It makes no sense. This is what's paying you instantly around the clock. You cannot afford to have poor communication in there. So you can have your Telegram number in, and I recommend for me, I am not doing anything wrong. There's no reason for me to hide from people. We're not going to bug you, don't want to call you, but certainly you'll be easy access if something urgent is regarding your account. Put it here, whatever your information, so that you can use it, so we can actually access you. Your contact number, WhatsApp, and Telegram, we can work with you from there. The other thing is your username and your first name and last name. This is not the KYC section of our system or anything, but we definitely need you to put in actually how to contact your email address and phone numbers or WhatsApp or Telegram. That's going to be huge. The other thing is you can always change your password, right? It's very easy. When you go to change your password, just put the information in and change it. And if you try to go to support and have them change your password and you don't know what your email account, they're not going to do it. They're not allowed to change it if you can't verify your identity for that account. We're just not going to do that. So going to support won't help you. One thing you want to do is make sure that you set up your own account. If your upline offers to do it, reject it. Say, no, I'm a big boy or big girl. I can do it myself. It is poor business to let someone manage your accounts for you that involve a wallet address, because if there's an incident, we can see what IP addresses is opening and closing accounts. We know if it's you or not. We can tell. It makes no sense for you to come to us eventually and say, hey, something happened in your wallet. It's our fault. We're not going to go for that. Make sure that you manage your own account. This is where you do it at. Your profile. Check up your password right now. In about a week and a half, you will be able to change your language to Spanish or Portuguese based on what you choose as your account. Once you do that, the system will know, and that way your email messages you get will be in Spanish. The social media group that you reach will be Spanish or Portuguese or be English. That's how that works. So you just kind of manage it right there. Password, choose the language. This is the section where you do it. And when we have KYC, it'll also be in this section. So that's pretty much that for the profile.